Good night, guys. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Kadisha for those of you that are new here, and today we are hopping straight into a cozy fall night routine. I'm so tired. I did a lot today, a lot of cleaning. Today's Sunday, so usually do like a Sunday reset. You clean, whatever. So I am so tired and I'm about to unwind. It's raining outside, so I said this will be the perfect time to do a cozy fall night routine. So tonight I'm gonna do body care, skin care, oral care, and we're also gonna be baking. I have some cinnamon rolls and some limited edition pumpkin spice cookies. I don't know which one I'm gonna do or if I'm gonna do both. I wanted to start this video a lot earlier, but that didn't work out because I was just busy cleaning and doing other little stuff today. But nonetheless, we're gonna get the video done. And I have a cute PJ set from Shein and my nice slippers from Shein and everything, like fall vibes. So I'm really excited. And we as individuals, we spend so much time, doing our daily day activities and not taking time to take care of ourselves. So this is what this video is about. This video is about slowing down, unwinding, and just learning to take care of yourself and just pamper yourself a little. Just enjoy the finer things in life. So let's just hop straight into the video and get the video started. So first I wanted to set the vibe by lighting this white pumpkin and oatwood candle from Bath and Body Works. This just smells so divine and gives a cozy feel for a really great self-care night. Then to prepare myself for the shower, I just put my hair in a bun and removed the headband that I was wearing and put on a shower cap to protect my hair from getting wet. The first thing that I do when I get in the shower is to start my first cleanse with this Dove Shea Butter Bar Soap, and I rub this all over my African neckcloth just to give it a good lather. Then I go in and start with my upper body and finish with the lower body, and this soap really gives the body a really great silky smooth feeling. After that I exfoliate with the Dove Brown Sugar and Coconut Butter Body Scrub. It smells so good and has the perfect creamy whip texture that feels gentle but still gives a really good exfoliation. For my second cleanse, I use the Dove Pamper Body Wash just to make sure everything feels extra smooth and refreshed. And this body wash, the lather on it is so rich and creamy. I just love how it makes the skin feel. To shave, I use the soft soap body wash and shave gel as well as the solar razor, and this gives a clean, smooth shave. Then I like to give my feet a little extra care with the Freeman Peppermint and Plum Foot Scrub. It's super refreshing and leaves my feet feeling really soft. Ignore the mark on my feet. I actually got that from a motorcycle burn when I was a child. To finish off my shower, I use the Johnson Shea and Cocoa Butter Oil Gel while my skin is still damp. It gives the prettiest glow and locks in all that moisture. So now that I'm out the shower and my skin feels so clean and moisturized, I'm gonna go ahead with my skincare. So first I put on my headband and these wristlets to stop the water from dripping down. So first I go in with my CeraVe Acne Control Cleanser, and this cleanses my skin really good and makes my face feel really clean. I've started using this product about 2 to 3 weeks ago, and since I started using it, I can say that I noticed less breakout, so I'm really liking this product so far. I like to use my facial towel to dry my face because they're disposable and don't hold bacteria, hence causing less breakouts. So I've been using this calming toner from PKY for about 7 months. And let me tell you, I love this toner. Since I started using it, I have noticed less breakouts because it really calms the skin from new acne. Then I decided to go in with this flwrz essence face mask that I got from Winners. I really like this brand, and for this face mask, it's a brightening and nourishing face mask, which is why I'm using it, because I'm going for that brightening effect. This mask left my skin feeling really smooth and appeared brighter. Next, I went in with the Good Molecules Discoloration Correcting Serum, and I also started using this product about 2 weeks ago, and I definitely noticed the dark marks on the side of my face getting lighter. For moisturizer, I went in with the Calming Moisture Barrier Cream from PKY. I've also been using this for 7 months and noticed the calming of my acne, and this is a really great moisturizer. So next is oral care, and I always start my oral care with water flossing. I'm using the Anju water flosser, and a tip, I added some of my Tara Breath mouthwash into the water part, and that freshens the breath 10 times more. For toothpaste, I just go in with the Colgate Max Fresh because I love the breath strips in this. It just leaves the mouth feeling really fresh and minty. Then I go in with my green tongue scrapers just to get all that extra gunk off my tongue, and it's very important to scrub your tongue because that's where most of the bacteria is. Finally, I go in with the Tara Breath Fresh Breath, and I really love this mouthwash because it keeps your breath feeling and smelling fresh for a really long time. To moisturize my lips, I go in with the Vaseline Cocoa Butter Lip Therapy, and this leaves my lips feeling really soft and moisturized. Right now, I'm on a journey of growing back my edges, so I'm using this scalp stimulator from Bags and Ladder. Now it's time to get dressed for the night, and I'm gonna be putting on my 2-piece set that I got from Shein, and I'm gonna be using this Shea Butter deodorant from Dove and pairing this with the Vanilla Ease body butter and body mist and my fuzzy slippers. This Vanilla Ease body butter smells really good and leaves the skin super moisturized. Then I go in with my body mist, and I was a girl that never used to put on body mist at night, but now I'm in my soft girl era. I just love to do it. This pajama set is so cute and comfy, and it's 100% cotton, and it feels really good.
Okay,
Okay, I'm all dressed. So I'm just gonna go in with these under the eye patches. And I also gonna do a miracle foot mask. And because once you put this on, you have to wait 20 minutes before you remove it. I'm just gonna go ahead and do the under the eye patches first. Then I'm gonna head to the kitchen and do the baking for the cinnamon rolls or the cookies or whatever. And then once that is finished, I'll do the foot mask. So I have to wear these for 20 to 25 minutes. So while I wear these, I'm gonna go ahead and get the baking started. So now that the cinnamon rolls and the cookies are in the oven baking, I'm gonna go ahead and apply this mask on my feet. These foot masks left my feet feeling really smooth, and they had a lot of excess moisturizer that I just rubbed into my feet. I was gonna use my Freeman moisturizer after this to cream my feet, but it wasn't needed. These cinnamon rolls and pumpkin spice cookies made the whole house smell like fall. They came out really good and was quick and easy to make. To go with the cinnamon rolls and cookies, I decided to make myself a pumpkin spice chai tea, which is honestly the perfect drink for a rainy, chilly night. There's just something about those warm spices and fresh baked treats that makes everything feel extra comforting and cozy. When making my tea, I use the pumpkin spice silk oat creamer. Usually I'll add pumpkin spice syrup as well, but I opted not to this time considering I was having sweet treats, and this created the perfect balance. To end the night, I got comfy in bed, lit a candle, and put on Gilmore Girls, one of my favorite shows from childhood. I enjoyed my cinnamon rolls, cookies, and pumpkin spice chai tea, and it was the perfect cozy fall night. Simple, relaxing, and just what I needed to unwind before bed. Thanks for spending the evening with me, and I'll see you in the next vlog.